Hey guys, Skeleton here. Welcome back to another video. There's a task where you have to do 30 headshots with a sniper rifle. And if you do, you'll get a new sniper rifle that explodes. Really. The sniper rifle I was using is the DLQ free release attachment, tactical suppressor, .48 standard, ×4 tactical scope, OWC Ranger stock, and a large extended mag B. I'm gonna show you the 30 headshots I did to get new sniper rifle. Enjoy the headshots.
Headshot!
Online. Hunter killer drone on standby. Missile on standby. Sentry gun ready to deploy.
Headshot! Boom!
Sentry gun
Headshot!
ready to deploy.
Headshot! Headshot! Targets in sight.
Close. Fight.
Boom! Headshot! In sight.
Hunter killer
Headshot.
drone on standby. Ready for deployment.
Headshot! Boom! Headshot! Me in sight.
Drone ready for
Headshot!
deployment.
Boom! Headshot! Headshot! Boom! Headshot! Headshot!
Killer drone ready for deployment.
Headshot! Headshot! Boom!
Taking the
Headshot!
lead. Guide for the lead.
Boom!
Sentry gun
Headshot!
ready for deployment. We've taken the lead.
Headshot! Headshot!
Ready for deployment.
Boom! Headshot! Headshot!
This is the sniper rifle I got from completing the task. As soon as you shoot one bullet, the bomb will plant on the enemy. If you hit the enemy again, the bomb will explode. And if you hit one enemy that near another enemy, and the enemy explodes, the other one will die. Which is kind of cool. So good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be using the sniper rifle for a video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!